Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your go-to place for creative design tips and tutorials. If you are passionate about graphic design or just starting out, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catchy social media post using Canva, a free and easy-to-use tool that makes professional design accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your design skill, this tutorial will help you to create stunning visuals in just few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest content. Now let's dive into the Canva and start designing. After creating a page for a social media post design, let's go to the element and search for a black-red background. Change the keyword black, red and fire spark background. Let's take this background and adjust it with the page. And now let's search for a Sharma picture. Let's take this and take this single Sharmas. Press Alt and make it a copy and flip it. Flip it like this. Now from the edit, give a shadow. Adjust the shadow. Select the single Sharmas and make them blur. Now go to the element and search your onion slice. Let's take this slice, remove the background. Take another slice and adjust it here, and take another and adjust it there. Now take a text box and type Sharma. Make it uppercase. Change the font style. Change the color in yellow. Change this font style. Keep it and make it behind and keep the Sharma picture upwards. From the effect, give it an outline. Take another text box and type hot and spicy. Change the color in white. Now make the elements blur. Make the onion blur. Search some more elements. Take this element and change the color a little bit and make them blur and make it behind the all elements. Take this parsley and adjust it here. From the element, let's take this smoke and adjust it here for now. Adjust everything. And now go to the element and search for a order now. Make it smaller and adjust it on the right of the shawarma. Go to the element and search for a phone icon. Adjust it on the lower section of the page, and now again go to the element and search for a location. Change the color in yellow. Give a text box and type the phone number and the location. From the element, take this line and make it 90 degree. Make it smaller and adjust it like a divider. Take a text box and type home delivery. Make the all text in pop-ins. Go to the element again and search for a home delivery. Take this and adjust over the home delivery text. Select all of them and make them a little bit smaller and replace the shadow behind the shawarma. And now search a black shadow. Take this shadow and flip it horizontally and make the shadow behind the all elements. Go to the F and give the shawarma a lift effect. Now from the elements, search for a food logo. Take this and adjust it on the middle of the upper section of the page. Take a text box, type the restaurant name or a food court name. Reduce the line spacing, make it smaller. Now adjust it. Here it is, a for social media design. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like flyer design, brochure design, menu design, presentation pitch decks or annual report card, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.